sugar to a certain area, disruption of supply, so people will, start to naik harga. These are examples of situations that cause profiteering. Okay, now we will see more or less what are the differences between what the Ministry of Domestic Trade, Cooperative and Consumerism we do, and also custom. What we do, we want to avoid exposing consumers to greater than necessary price increase. Okay, there might be some increase during GST. There might be not. But we want to avoid exposing consumers more than necessary. Secondly, we don't want any exploitation or manipulation by businesses. Okay? And we expect consumers to receive benefit from any indirect tax reduction. Kalau dulu kena cukai lebih tinggi, sekarang GST. Contoh, jika kurang, we want the consumers to get this indirect tax reduction. All of you already registered for GST? No, you are undecided. Going to register or no? Still thinking? Apa tu duit tak cukup? Okay, what does the ministry do for the implementation of GST? More or less we have these 5 steering committees. First, legislation. Under this price control, we have this mechanism to control profiteering related to GST. We'll go back to this one in a short while. Second, enforcement of the Price Control and Anti-Profiteering Act 2011. We send our officers to train at LHDN, KWSP, a lot of outside agencies. Why? We want to know how to investigate, we want to know what will happen during GST, how people will cheat during GST. Simply because sekarang GST belum kuat kuasa, we have yet to enforce with GST. So, how will people cheat during GST? You won't know, because it's not there yet. But we will project those situations and train how to handle the investigation. We have been doing that. Thirdly, database. We have already started collecting prices in Malaysia since last year. This is for our database. Any of you seen this database? Any of you seen? No. None of you seen this price? Seriously, not even one of you? You are not supposed to see it. Because we did not publish it anywhere. You all are very honest people. Okay? We have been collecting, keeping it, we want to compare it after the implementation of GST. Wow, seriously, nobody of you said yes, huh? Which industry are you from? Any particular industry? No. Very good, huh? Okay, fourth, advocacy. Advocacy means we explain, such as we are doing just today, this is advocacy. And the last one is call center for complaints and information. You can complain and also you can call for information. These are 5 steps that the Ministry of Domestic Trade has taken for the implementation of GST. Okay, the mechanism. First, shall not include any element of taxes which is entitled to be claimed in determining prices of goods or charges for services. What does it mean? It prohibits businesses to include the following item. First, any input tax which is claimable. Input tax, boleh claim, sudah claim, but you put it into the price. This is an offense. Second, any special refund of sales tax. Items in hand, you can claim for refund, but you put in the price of the sales tax into your price. it will be amounting to a offense. I do have this, but we don't have time. Is it okay? We skip, huh? Okay, number 2, shall not increase the net profit margin within the prescribed period. The net profit margin shall be in ringgit. It's quite simply, in simple words, it will be before GST untung bersih 10 ringgit. After GST you must untung bersih 10 ringgit. If your price changes because of your cost structure, it's okay. Your price before and after changes. Before is your selling price is 20 ringgit. After is 21 ringgit. Because of your cost structure, buruh naik, apa naik, you tukar harga, okay. But if you tukar harga because of your profit, dulu 10 ringgit, after GST you want to untung 12 ringgit, then it becomes an offense. We will have this a certain amount of period, how long you can increase your profit. Okay, we will have this, it will be announced. Why we put it in ringgit Malaysia? Because if we put it in percentage, once you increase the price of your cost, your price of your item, then your untung pun akan berubah because it's in percentage. In ringgit, it means 10 ringgit before, after that you must untung 10 ringgit. Okay? Is it okay? Is it clear? It will be imposed to all businesses, including those collecting GST or those can impose GST. Okay, enforcement on profiteering. For registered person, they can impose GST. Input tax are claimable. So, we prohibit this registered person to include any input tax which is claimable or input tax and also refund in prices you cannot put in. And input tax should not be a cost to businesses. When you claim it back, it should not be your cost. But the problem will be, a slight problem will be with other than registered person. Okay, they can't impose GST. Okay, the GST charge on inputs are all non-claimable. Okay, so GST may be included and accounted as part of price. GST will be a cost to businesses. These are for people that other than registered person because they can't claim it back. Okay, duty to keep and maintain records. All of you still with me? It seems very quiet. Are you all already at Mahamiru or somewhere? No. Oh, it's quite clear. When I came in around 2. Okay, duty to keep and maintain records. More or less, we will say you must keep all your records that reflects your profit, your cost, your invoices and everything. You must keep your records for 7 years. This 7 years is based on this. We do have under GST Act, you must keep the record for 7 years, and under PKP, Price Control Act, you must keep your records for 7 years. Type of record, sales record, purchase, and any documents relating to how you determine your price. Okay, let's say, I know it won't happen, but let's say if any one of you jual 10 ringgit 60 sen jadi 11 ringgit 40 sen. First offense, if you are a body corporate, is a fine less than $500,000. It will not reach $500,000, but it's less. it could be 499,999 ringgit, up to that, okay, less than 500,000. Second and subsequent offence, fine no more than 1 million, less than 1 million. If you are not body corporate, fine no more than 100,000 and or no more than 3 years imprisonment. Second offence, fine no more than 250,000 with imprisonment no more than 5 years. 40 sen, contoh 40 sen. It's not worth it, right? These are just to explain how many categories, 80 categories of item. Goods and services, 5,000 to 10,000 items we have collected now. Includes fresh food, frozen, household services, apparel, stationeries, computers. These are all the categories that we have already collected and still collecting. These are the implementation of price collection. The first phase will be from 28 August. The first phase was on 28 August. And we will have all the way until 2015. Okay, half an hour, I'm done. You can contact us, One Malaysia, one call center, 8000. It's the easiest number lah, 03 8000 8000. If you have any questions, you want to complain, you can contact us. Lastly, we receive enforcement division, we investigate, so we always receive complaints. One thing which is important, I always say this to the audience, if you want to complain, no problem, just make sure you complain with details. Okay, we always receive complaints which are too general. Tong air mahal, Melaka. Okay, tong air mahal, Melaka. Or air masak mahal, Jalan Ampang. We know Jalan Ampang is really, where do we find air mahal in Jalan Ampang? It's very hard. No problem, we will investigate, but do give us detailed information, okay? Okay, that's all. Thank you. See you again. Assalamualaikum.